Madam Chair, parang may napansin po ako kanina at hindi na pa...
Honorable De Lima.
I'm sorry. Thank you, Madam Chair. Meron po ako napansin kanina na parang hindi na ipakita dyan, yung about yung pag-greet ng happy birthday. I think I saw it.
Honorable De Lima is looking for that video where the VP is greeting happy birthday Ramil Madriaga. Can you answer that, Mr. Madriaga? Is that part of your impeachment complaint, of your affidavit?
Hindi po, para i-prove lang po na yung relation namin sa EC Pilipinas. Kasi sa GC po yan ang isip na i-post.
Okay.
Ang GC po namin private, mga officers lang po.
But this is not part of the pictures attached to your supplemental affidavit, the video.
I'm not sure, Madam Chair. Hindi po ako yung nag...
Would you like to submit that, Honorable De Lima, in your capacity as endorser of this impeachment complaint?
Madam Chair, I was looking at the screen earlier and I saw that instantly while the scrolling is being done.
Yes, I recall.
Yes, there
So
is
can,
such... There is
operator, can we go back to the set of pictures and videos? If the video of the Vice President greeting happy birthday Ramil Madriaga is among those, if so, kindly flash it in the screen. The members saw that video of happy birthday of the Vice President to Ramil Madriaga. May we know from the committee secretariat if that is part of the attachments to the supplemental affidavit of Ramil Madriaga?
I saw it earlier.
Hello. Madam Chair, the video that is being raised by Kong De Lima is not part of the supplemental affidavit of Madriaga.
But I could not be mistaken when I saw that.
Honorable De Lima, although it was played,
Flashed. It was
the
flashed.
COMSEC confirms that it is not part of the attachment to the supplemental affidavit. You may consider to submit it in your capacity as endorser of the third impeachment complaint.
Yes, Madam Chair. So if it was...
Would you like to play it?
Yes, Madam Chair, because
Okay.
I actually saw it.
So on the request of the endorser, Congresswoman De Lima, kindly play that video.
Happy birthday, Sir Ram. I wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday, Sir Ram. I wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday, Sir Ram. I wish you good health and happiness.
That should be okay. Honorable De Lima?
Move that it be considered as part of the records. Thank you, Madam Chair.
The COMSEC is directed to receive that video officially to form part of the records of the proceeding of this impeachment complaint.
Madam Chair. Just
The
a very
Honorable
short-
Vice Chair Karen Lagbas.
Yeah, just a very short manifestation, Madam Chair. The impeachment complaints are the foundation of the entire impeachment process. It is the jurisdictional document that confers upon this committee the authority to conduct its hearings. Matters not found from the allegations contained in the complaints are beyond the body's cognizance. Due process dictates that the respondent in case of VP Sara be notified and informed of specific charges against her and the right to answer only those charges. Thus, to allow introduction of matters not charged in the complaints would effectively make this proceedings a fishing expedition. The committee would be acting with grave abuse of discretion. It is therefore my gentle appeal to the members of the Committee on Justice to please refrain from introducing matters which are not relevant to the issues properly before us, and confine our proceedings to the allegations set forth in the Sabala and Cabrera complaints. That's all, Madam Chair.
All right. Our parliamentary status is the resource person, Ramil Madriaga, is currently responding to the clarificatory questions of the justice members. May we know if the Honorable Ridon is done with his clarificatory questions?
Just a few more questions, Madam Chair.
You may proceed.
Ngayon naman po, pag-usapan ho natin si Mr. Kilala, Mr. Madriaga, kasi the Vice President herself had stated in a statement na ang tanging lang daw po ninyong kausap dito po sa mga bagay na ito ay si Mr. Kilala lamang po. So, we would want to discuss further ito pong relasyon po ninyo kay Attorney Kilala. Ano ba yung relasyon po ninyo ni Attorney Kilala, Mr. Madriaga?
Si Attorney Kilala po, unang-una kong na-meet sa San Sebastian sa car show. Doon po kami unang nagkakilala sa car show sa San Sebastian. Siya po yung assistant din nun. Nagdala po ko ng kotse ko para isali sa car show. Doon na po nag-start yung friendship namin.
So paano kayo naging malapit sa isa't isa?
Sa kotse po. Sa mga sasakyan. Pag nagpapagawa po siya sa shop ko. May shop po sa Cainta, sa ibang lugar din. Nagpapagawa po siya ng mga kotse na pwede pang sali sa car show.
Alright. Pero paano ho kayo nagkasama doon sa Isip Pilipinas? Kasi magkasama ho kayo doon sa certificate na binigay po kay Attorney Monsayak, hindi ho ba?
Opo, doon po nag-start yung relationship, yung pagiging pagkaibigan namin hanggang naglalaro po kasi ako sa San Sebastian. Lagi rin kami naglalaro sa San Sebastian. Doon po umikot sa basketball tsaka sa kotse. Hanggang Isip Pilipinas po.
Ano yun nga? Pero very important ho kasi na mag-clarify na mula ho doon sa paglalaro ng basketball at cars, mga kotse, lumalim po ito sa politika. Tama po ba?
Opo.
Honorable Ridon,
Opo.
I have to prevent that question because that is probing already.
Yes, I submit.
Please confine to the facts and information which are evident already in his supplemental affidavit, including the pictures attached thereto.
I submit, Madam Chair. Meron pong litrato doon sa inyo pong supplemental affidavit. Yung sinasabi pong kasama po ninyo sa litrato si Mr. and Mrs. Kilala. Tama po ba?
Opo, Madam Chair, Your Honor.
Kailan po ito nangyari?
Hindi ko na po matandaan, Your Honor. Lagi po akong wala sa amin sa bahay.
At ano po yung event nung pong litrato po na yun na magkasama po kayo ni Mr. and Mrs. Kilala?
Kasal po ng eldest son ko, Madam Chair.
Anak po ninyo?
Opo, kasal po ng eldest son ko.
So kailan po yun?
Hindi ko na po matandaan. Siguro po 3 to 4 years ago. Ay, hindi po, mga 6 years ago. 6 or 7 years ago po, Madam Chair.
Alright. Madam Chair, I have no further questions. Thank you.
Thank you, Honorable Ridon.